So this is take two on the daily chart, and you can see late last week we had a gap down after reports came out that the Grand Theft Auto 6 game release would be delayed. Let's get into news and then we'll continue with the analysis. So take two shares dropped after Bank of America raised concerns about the release date of the much anticipated Grand Theft Auto 6. Bank of America downgraded the stock to neutral from a buy based on doubts that the game will be out in March 2025, as many have anticipated. They argue that this left open the interpretation when the game would actually be available. Because of that, along with the fact that Rockstar has a history of delaying launch dates, the analysts said they now assume GTA 6 launches in the fall of 2025. The Bank of America team noted that consensus estimates for Take-Two fiscal year 2025 assume the March 2025 release date. They expect those estimates to fall by about 20% before August of 2024. So, in order to price those numbers in, assuming that the Grand Theft Auto 6 is delayed by a year, the question is how far can price go down, right? Because it needs to be repriced to account for the lower earnings estimates. All right, so this is the weekly chart, and there's no reason why we can't fall back down to the 130 area. Why the 130 area? If you scroll up to the monthly chart, that was resistance, now serves as support, right? So again, I don't anticipate price moving higher, as the fourth quarter of any retailer in particular, usually the game cycles, launches occur around this time of the year. So if there's going to be delays for Take-Two and their Grand Theft franchise game, then price can't go higher. It just can't, based on valuation. All right, so going back to the weekly chart, this is the level which the chart suggests would be a buy. Let's confirm that on the daily chart. You do have a gap that needs to be filled at the 150 level. If you want to be aggressive, which I would not recommend, that might be an opportunity to start dollar cost averaging, right? You had resistance twice. Now I do want to look up and go to the left. I don't really see any levels of interest until you get to about 180-ish. Now, price does have the support of the moving averages. This is the 26, this is the 50, this is the 100, and this is the 200. Again, you have another gap down at the 136 level. I would say the run-up is waning. This leg higher might be ending. Another thing, you can look at the RSI, but this looks like a buy the rumor, sell the news type of trade setup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.